He moves to the front, examining the cast, rounded hull. It's not welded here at all, but a single, massive piece of poured steel. Standardized. Simple. He knocks on it with his knuckles, the sound a dull, hollow thud. This isn't the tomb of a knight. This is the corpse of a mass-produced titan. And as he stands there, in the deafening quiet of the battlefield, a cold, creeping dread begins to wrap itself around his heart, a dread far colder than any fear of an incoming shell. This Sherman wasn't a masterpiece. It was a receipt, and the bill, he now realizes with a sickening certainty, was going to be paid in thousands more just like it. The dread crystallized into a cold, hard certainty in the pit of his stomach. Hauptmann Werner was no factory manager. He was a career soldier, an officer who understood the practicalities of war. But in that moment, staring at the Sherman's uncomplicated carcass, he became an unwilling accountant, and the numbers he was tallying were terrifying. He crouched by the front road wheel. Instead of the complex, interleaved design of a German tank, a maintenance nightmare that took hours to repair, he saw a simple, solid disc of steel. He peered at the bogie assemblies, standardized, identical units. A damaged one could be unbolted and replaced in an hour, maybe less. In Russia, he'd seen Tigers rendered immobile for days, waiting for a custom-fabricated suspension component. This American machine was built for repair, not reverence. His mind, against his will, began the grim algebra. He pictured the factory that birthed this thing, not a cathedral of engineering like Krupp, where master craftsmen hand-fitted each plate. No, he imagined a vast, deafening hall, an endless conveyor line, pre-cut steel plates, hundreds of them, stacked like sheets of paper. A battery of welding torches held not by artisans, but by workers performing a single, repetitive motion. Sizzle, hiss. Sizzle, hiss. A hull takes shape in minutes, not days. The weld seam he had traced was the key. That long, continuous, slightly ugly bead was a signature. It spoke of speed over perfection.